Always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you my 30-minute wash day routine and 10 tips to get you through wash day in a breeze for those busy weeks. Yes, it's totally possible to wash in style in 30 minutes. However, this does not include the drying time. Please note, I do not recommend this routine if your hair is tangled or matted, as you will need to focus on thoroughly detangling your hair before washing, and in those instances, I recommend a pre-shampoo treatment. This routine is useful if you already have an established wash day routine and only resort to this every now and again. You can check out my pre-shampoo and full wash day routines by watching these videos after this one. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. These are the products that I'll be using in today's wash day, and tip number 1 is to skip the pre-poo. This saves me at least 20 to 30 minutes, so I go ahead and jump straight into the shower and fully saturate my hair with water. And I've found that by having the running water as well as a product with tons of slip really helps me to detangle my hair while I'm in the shower, and therefore saves me a lot of time. So tip number 2 is to make sure your hair is thoroughly saturated with water. So take the time to just smooth the water all throughout your hair strands. And if you ever wanted to know what low porosity hair looks like, this is an example of low porosity hair because the water beads form on top of the hair, as you can see here. So it does take some time to make sure your hair is fully soaked. So next tip would be to use all moisturizing products. You want to make sure that on this wash day, you're not using any protein-based products that will be drying or harsh on the hair. So I would recommend get your most moisturizing products, those that have tons of slip, that will allow the hair strands to be well lubricated and make detangling easier, and also reduce the likelihood of breakage.
Baby, all I really want is
Tip number 4 is paradoxical because it's either to skip or minimize sectioning or to utilize more sections. So I found that by washing my hair freely like this, I'm able to get through my hair quicker because the products I'm using have enough slip to keep my strands separated. However, if you realize that your hair is more prone to single strand knots or tangling, then I would suggest using small sections, which would be more manageable. This would also reduce the chances of breakage because you'll be able to focus on one section at a time, twist it out of the way once you've detangled it, and then move on to other sections. This will keep the hair tangle free and also make your detangling process easier. So after I've thoroughly rinsed my hair out, I go ahead and shampoo a second time, and this is completely optional. I just love to do this to make sure that I really get rid of all of the product buildup in my hair, because I found that starting with a clean slate helps to moisturize my hair effectively, and then it allows me to have moisturized hair throughout the week. So if you find that your hair isn't retaining moisture, I would suggest perhaps doing double shampoo to make sure your hair really is thoroughly cleansed before you go ahead and apply your leave-in and moisturizing products. Tip number 5 is to skip the rinse out conditioner and go straight to deep conditioning. This is something that I've now incorporated into my full wash day routine because I've realized that my deep conditioner works better when applied immediately after shampooing. So I would recommend giving this a try to see if it works for you. So I'm using the Shea Moisture Superfruit Complex Mask, and I'm applying that to my entire head. And once I've completed half of my hair, I apply a shower cap, which creates a warm, moist environment due to my own body heat, which in turn helps the conditioner to work more effectively. This is called the greenhouse method, which I use for fast wash days when I'm not able to sit under my hooded dryer for 30 minutes. Don't forget, the aim is to complete this in half an hour, so by doing this at least you can get some form of heat while you focus on the other sections of your hair. An alternative would be to heat up the product in a bowl of warm water before you start this wash day, and then when you apply the product it's actually already heated up. Tip number 6 is to detangle with your deep conditioner. In the past, I used to detangle with my rinse out conditioner prior to deep conditioning. However, that is just an additional step that we can totally eliminate. So go ahead and choose a deep conditioner with a lot of slip that will allow you to detangle either by using your fingers or using a tool of your choice. Tip number 7 for this particular wash day is to opt for multi-use products. This will save you a ton of time and also product as well. So you can have products that can actually be rinse out conditioners, deep conditioners and leave-in conditioners all in one. One suggestion would be the Garnier Fructis Ultimate Blends hair food products. I really love the banana and shea one from that line. This can be used as a rinse out, deep conditioner and leave-in conditioner. So while you're deep conditioning with it, you can just leave in some of that product while you're rinsing it out, and that will be your leave-in conditioner, and you can move straight on to styling. So once I've applied the deep conditioner to my entire head, I go ahead and clip it out of the way and apply 2 shower caps, and I let this sit in my hair for the duration of my shower. I go ahead and wash my body and do whatever I have to do in the shower, and then after this I rinse out the deep conditioner and immediately apply my leave-in conditioner. Tip number 8 would be to use a microfiber towel to reduce the drying time. So I've already went ahead and added the Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil in the shower, but I forgot to show those clips, so I'm just going to go and add a little bit more to my hair, apply it to my entire hair, and then I'll move on to the styling product.
I'm always trying to see through your flaws, 'cause I know that you got so much more to give. You made a real mess, but I miss you though, 'cause I can go to sleep when I'm alone again. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in.
Now I'm going to move on to styling my hair, and I'll be using the Aunt Jackie's Ice Curl Gel. And tip number 10, which would be the final tip, would be to use one styling product. This will make your hair lighter, bouncier, and reduce the drying time as there's less product on the hair. It will also help to reduce the chances of product buildup, so when you come around to the next wash day, the cleansing process would be easier.
Make it last a little longer. Say you wanna fix our problems. How long should I be waiting? Feels like I've had too much of drama, but I'm not ready to give in. See us going on and off again. Baby, all I really
So that's it, guys. We have 31 seconds to spare to the end of this wash day. We have made it through. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up, as well as subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button just down below and clicking that bell so you'll be notified of whenever I post new content. Thank you guys so much for watching, and comment below to let me know any tips that you have that you can share with the rest of us on how we can cut down on our wash day times. I'd really be interested in knowing. And also share this video with your friends and family so they can also adapt these 10 tips to their wash day to make it a shorter process. So guys, thanks once again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.